Hey, Tom Gerber here at MarineMax in Cocoa. Today I want to show you a 2019 Sportsman 227 Masters Platinum Edition we brought in here on Brokerage. Beautiful boat. It's got the power pole. It's got a 200 Yamaha with 120 hours on it. As we come forward, you can see it's that beautiful green color. We have it under the hardtop as well. The hardtop has misters in it, and the misters work on this boat. So it's been well taken care of and well maintained. Garmin electronics, including a GPS and a VHF. We've got the Minn Kota Tarova trolling motor on this boat, so it is ready to hit the water and do some fishing or just hang out at the sandbar. Again, 2019 Sportsman 227 Masters Platinum Edition here at MarineMax Cocoa. Come see it.